What's the deal, gang? How you guys doing? How's everybody doing? We're in full swing of things already, huh? Alright, well, we don't have any news till a little bit later, till about an hour and a half from now. We did close bullish yesterday. We've actually, every single day this week was a bullish candle, and today we have no bottom wick. We've closed below resistance. The daily's already, yesterday's daily candle had no top wick, well, very small, not too much range. Today we've already tapped this next daily level. Chance we come back below. It'll be interesting. It'll be interesting today. It's a strong rejection we're having right now. 4 hours coming straight down, 1 hour, so we're coming straight down, which means we formed a resistance, right? That we're bouncing off of. Let's get to the hourly. Yep, perfect. Right on the money. Awesome. So we have a 30 closure coming up here in 30 seconds. If in the next 30 seconds we can pull back a bit on this 30 candle to leave a bottom wick, we'll have some top wick entries. I would really like there to be a bottom wick here, so the next candle. Oh, so we have range to fill, and the next candle can fill that range with momentum. But you need to pull back right now. You have 5 seconds. It's not too pretty of a pullback. It's not much of a pullback. It was what? That's 6 pips. 6 pip wick in this 180 pip range. How big was that? It's a massive candle here on that 30 to start off. 132 pips to start off New York session. This New York volume coming in here, that's what dropped you. Looks interesting to come down. My issue is right now there's not much of a wick, so this candle can create the bottom wick and start coming up. Right, so I would really want a closure, whether it's a 5 or a 15. I'd want a bearish closure here now, and I'd want a bottom wick to be created. So now this candle is creating a bottom wick. There we go. It's looking like it's going to flip bullish here at this point, but it's only a 5-minute, right? So we don't have to wait too long for this to close. We might have positions before the 4-hour. It really depends on how we push through here right now, or if we push through here right now. think we should see a straight drive right back up. I think we'll come back down, retest whatever low is going to be made here. And at this point, I think it's about timing. When do we get in for that low to be retested? This seems like a lovely area. If we can now close like this. But that's an hourly, right? So you still have another half hour for this hourly to close. Yeah, around these areas is where we would have been looking for a top wick sell here if we had a bottom wick. On the previous candle. One hour hopefully will create that wick. Yeah, if the 1 hour does it, the 4 hour will probably have it. Yeah. Oh wow, that's 10. It's already 15 pips, just that small wick. Yeah, that should technically come down. Interesting. And the hour chat. Let's take a sell right here. Just took a sell right where we're at right now. The hourly, I believe, will have to come down anyway, right? If it does so now, great. If it doesn't, I think we're at an incredible place for a pineapple. So risk management wise, it's pretty lovely. So I just took a position here. I think if we tap these areas right here at 97, I'll take another position, but I believe we should drive through here. There's a lot of volume and there's range to fill to the downside. And if there's not enough range on this candle, once the hourly closes here, we should have enough, because it's a good area to mitigate risk if we're wrong. This is technically should go to the hourly level. Yep, right here. Stops should technically be above here for now. For now. Ranges are massive, so make sure you understand your risk management, understand why you're managing risk, where you would be managing risk. Okay. Also news in 15? No, how do we have news in 15? No, there isn't. $9.45. Yeah, it's not in 15. That's shit. It's in a little while. Alright, chat. I'm gonna take a sell right here, right where we are right now. Boom. As we rebroke the high, took another sell. And I will look for another pineapple if we start coming up at around this area. What's the idea for the first entry? The idea is we have a lot of bearish volume. There's room to push through here. And the fact that we're so close to the 4-hour closing that even if we're wrong, The 4-hour, once it closes bearish, it'll be holding higher time frame resistance, and after a top wick, we should still fill the range. So we still have ample opportunity to finish out the range. That's the idea. Smack market's ass. So it'll probably be this area. Looks like Eddie's happy today. Why? What happened? I'm happy every day, brother. Yeah, that's what I figured. That is what I figured. The volume song. Now we just wait. We wait on this candle to print. We wait on this hourly to close. We wait. Seconds, 30 seconds on this 5. What else we got going on? Caught sells 2708. Oof. Damn. You a sniper, bro. I don't know how you did that. 2708. That is snipalicious. Yeah, it's pretty crazy. Pretty crazy. Yeah, the previous 5 closed bullish. You got a bit of a wick to fill here, so I wouldn't be surprised if this 5 makes a top wick first, which is what it's doing right now. Target level 87. Yeah, that's the overall target. That's the overall target here. Pips Mysterio. Sells at 94.80. Okay, so that's not a bad area for sells. Realistically. Alright, chat. Close first position here that we open in half of my second position and move stops to BE here. So I closed the initial entries here at break even. Oops, sorry, wrong ones. Right. Oh, come on. Right here. So this is what it looks like right now. 94.7. This is right. So I closed half of this position and I closed the first position at break even. And now we're going to hold this to see if it can reach the bottom of the range. We will not touch this. Remember I said when you have the wick entry, the top, the tip of the wick, it's a really good entry for runners, and that's what I'll try to hold a runner through. So let's see if we can get to the next range around 88 areas. If not, this will flip bullish, drive up, and then, you know, you're waiting on the hourly and the 4-hour closure. But the 30 is flipping here, right? The 30 just flipped. For a split second it did. And the idea is to see if we can now finish out the range. Yeah, it's a W. W. It's already a W. House money. We are risk-free here. We have a really good entry if the runner does drive through. If it doesn't, we have a really good closure coming up here on the 4-hour, and we'll have more opportunities for entries. But really, let's see if we're able to push through here. This is clean to the left. You see this candle to the left here? This is clean. So I think to at very least to 88 areas, we should be fine. Let's actually move that up there. Let's get this up to here. That's about it's a 58 pip target total. So let's see if we can get some of that.
We got a runner!
Great. Awesome.
Wow! I feel good.
How did that 15 close? Oh, that was a bullish 15. All right. The 30 look lovely though, right? Look at the 30. All right. Gang, I'm closing full right here. Just closed full as we're pulling up to this area. We're tapping these wicks that are really the beginning of the range. And the 15 closed bullish, so there's a chance it pulls back up. You know, we have an extra what? We could have ran this for an extra 9 pips, right? So I'm not risking 9 pips for 40 something pips. So W. Let's, yeah, chat. I really held on to that because honestly, you know, you guys need to have a trade run for longer than 5 minutes. So that's why we held that for longer than 5 minutes. All right. Last trade on stream, we won a total of 67 pips. Who fucking tonight? Who fucking tonight? Who fucking tonight? Who fucking tonight? It's Friday. You ain't got a job. And you ain't got shit to do. I mean, do we call it a stream? We're not even on here for 20 minutes. What do you guys want to do? And you guys understand, right, why we took that initial position? Because with a lot of volume, we can just drive through. And if we weren't coming up on an hourly or a 4-hour closure here in 20 minutes, right, or when we took the trade in 25 minutes, right, we probably would be still waiting for the closure. But the thing is, we've had such a heavy push down. The chances of us now rejecting or coming back straight up after the 4-hour has been doing this drive is very slim to none. So if it does drive through now, we don't miss it. But if it doesn't and it starts coming up, that 4-hour was massively bearish. We were going to get a top wick on the 4-hour and, you know, and then get a bottom wick, or we were going to get a bottom wick regardless whether you come up or down. The bottom wick was going to be created. Whether if you're coming down, then great, you win. If it's going to come up, you'll have a chance to manage risk once that bottom wick is created. So you have to take your pineapple here. You have to take your pineapple here if it presents itself. So when that bottom wick is created, you'll have a chance to manage risk. You see how I have a plan whether it goes for me or it goes against me? Lovely. Look at that. Our closure was really right here, right at the tip of the wick here. And we understand why, right? This doesn't have to come back to break even. It might still come down and break down and tap the bottom of the range. But we don't have to guess now because we understood that as soon as we start approaching this area right here, these wicks, this range, that's a place where you could see the initial rejection or reaction, and that's what we're seeing now. And that's why we closed right there. It's no point of risking the 50 pips you already have in the bag to make an extra 9. Right? If you're up 20, 30 pips and you let that shit come back to negative, you're an asshole. Don't be an asshole. You make trading so simple for me. Thank you. That's the whole point. If you make it simple enough where it doesn't discourage you from showing up every day, right, where you're incentivized to show up because it's simple enough that you can do it, it becomes simple to rinse and repeat. And now you have incentive to keep showing up. It's a win-win. Don't be greedy. I'll take risk off the table. Yeah, take risk off the table. Secure the bacon. Secure partial bacon, right? You don't have to secure the whole pig, but secure some bacon. What a friggin' perfect closure. Chat, hold on 1 second. 1 second. I'm here, gang. I gotta pull something up. Hold on. What a great W, though. What a great closure. Hold on a second. All right, so sorry, gang. Yeah, I'm back. And now you're back from outer space. I just walked in to find you here with that sad trade upon your face. What a closure. Look at this. Came back all the way to entry. W. Incredible. We could not have managed that any better. You take what the market gives you. You realize when there's a chance of it taking it away from you, and you tell the market, fuck off. I worked for this. I'm keeping it. Right? Very nice. Very nice. So win number 307. Missed that one because of my damn cat. You still looking for more? Yeah, possibly. Took buys plus 50 as you exit. Oh, you took a buy where I closed? Well, technically a closure is a buy, right? Once we have a sell, you need to buy to get out. So technically we also bought where you bought, except we bought to get out and you bought to enter. Now, chat, we're going to do a giveaway today. We're going to do a giveaway 225K accounts with top one. My issue is, so I bought this software. It's called, hold on, what's it called? It's not software. It's just a subscription to, hold on, what is it called? It's called Sweep Widget, which can track. It tracks entries off, by. You're able to track entries by follows off social media platforms and subscribes. Right? If whoever subscribed, you can filter out people that are subscribed and follow. But I spent like 3 hours or 4 hours yesterday trying to figure out how to get it to work, and I'm still not sure. There's a lot of shit you can do on the platform, and yeah, Sweep Widget. There's a lot of shit you can do on the platform, but I'm not sure exactly how to run it on stream. So I'm still figuring that out. So we're probably gonna do we're gonna have, maybe we'll spin a wheel to select a number from 1 to however many comments there are, and we'll pick a comment. We'll literally count down from the top to bottom in the comments, or from the bottom to top in the comments, to see who wins. I'm trying to get this. I'm trying to get this. This software working. If anyone's ever worked with Sweep Widget, let me know. If not, let me know if you have any ideas on how to run the raffle a better way. Everyone just spamming W's? Yeah. It's complicated? Well, I'm willing to do complicated as long as it's fair, right? It's not complicated for you. It's really going to be complicated on my end, but I got to figure out how it works. I've only messed around with it for like 3 hours and I still couldn't figure it out. From what I understand, I think you guys, once you do all of those things, you might have to actually sign off on that. Like you'll have to click a link and you'll sign in and it'll be able to check if you did all 3 things. TT knows how to do Instagram giveaway. Oh yeah, we're trying to do it on the live stream. I'm trying to do it in a way where it's as fair as possible. Make them comment their username before the giveaway on your social media. Then place their username in this chat too. You can verify it in your comment section. That's how I do it. Maybe I'm missing something. What do you mean? They'll comment on the post, right? Place their username on the post and in this chat. But so how do I verify that they did everything? How do I verify that they subbed and followed? You know what I mean? You need a special software, because I don't think anything just tracks that. I logged into an old IG account to enter. Oh, that was you. I seen somebody in the comments. Appreciate you. What if we have different usernames? Well, that's the thing also. Like, people have different names throughout different social media platforms. So let's, oh, we have a 4-hour closure here coming up, chat. Hold on. Lock in here. We might be looking at something similar to what we had on the 30. We need this top wick to start coming up. If we fill this wick before that, we'll reevaluate. But that's the 4-hour closure here, gang. Just do it and make it so the winner has to DM you and send you screenshots that he's subbed to you. I think that's a good idea. $100 giveaway. You got to go follow my IG, sub to this YouTube, and comment on Monday's reel. So if you go to my stories, it's still in my stories. Go to my IG, hit my stories, and there's going to be a link in one of the stories. Or not a link. Yeah, a link to the reel. Yeah, I think that's how we'll do it, and we'll update it as we go. All right, we'll probably check how many comments there are. We'll do a random comment generator, and then, a random number generator, and then, hold on, let me see how this would work.
and motivation.
All right, so there's 142 comments so far. All right, and you're gonna have to be here on stream also, right? I think that would be fair. Yeah, well, we're coming down here on the 4 hour. Let's see what we got. Hold on, let me load all the comments, because not all comments load immediately. Okay, all right, cool. So I think we'll go randomly from whatever the top comment is on the post, right? And so we'll do, there's 150 comments, so we'll do a random number picker from 0 to 150. And whatever number shows up, we're gonna count that much from the very top, and whatever it lands on, that's what it's gonna be, right? So we're gonna count that from here. So you only need to comment for now. Yeah, that's how I'll choose it. But no, you don't only need to comment. You're gonna have to send me a screenshot that you're following the IG and that you're subscribed. You're gonna have to do that. All right, let's get a random number generator in here from 1 to 148. There's 148 people that commented on there. Let's generate a number, 120. That will be 1. Let's count 120. This is going to be interesting. Chat, from the top. Let's go. Let's count together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Corey's 8, 9, 10, 11. Get away. This is time consuming. I don't know if I like this. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 13, 14, 15. Stefan G, 15, and 16, 17, 18, 19. Oh, you trying to cheat, Stefan. 20. Stefan G and 20. 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, I see what you guys are doing. You see, the software will let me get out of all of this. 34, 35, 36, 37, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Oh, all right. So it adds by 15, right? So if that was 15, that's 60 right here. $75. 90. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 117, 118, 119, 120. Mr. Hasty. Mr. Hasty. Yo, Mr. Hasty wins the first account. Let me write that down. You were 120 down here. Lovely. Let me write that down. Mr. Hasty on IG. You got to be here on stream, and you need to DM me before 9:30. If you don't DM me before 9:30, Mr. Hasty, I'll give this away to somebody else. Mr. Hasty. Oh, he's here. Yo, DM me on IG. DM me on Instagram. DM me your full name and your email. That's what I need. Your full name, email. Oh, and then I want to see a screenshot that you're subbed on YouTube and that you're following the IG. And I'll get back to you with your login credentials and stuff like that. Number 1. Okay, now we can go back to this since they go 15 at a time, right? Yep, 15 at a time. Let's go random number generator and let's choose another number. No, is it going in order? Is it just going to the next number? Why it be doing that to me? Why don't it be like 6 so I could just count 6? Why I gotta count a whole 145? Click again? No, then it would be unfair because whoever's 145. Count from behind? I can't do that either because there's people that have left comments since we started. There's more than 148. Who cares? No one knows who's on that number. Well, let's do it. Let's do what we just did. That's random. So if it's 15 here, 30 here, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 41, 42, 43, 44. Alex Hadi. I see. You see this? I'm gonna weed this out for next time. I'm gonna weed all of this out. I see you guys all with multiple entries and stuff. This is all gonna get weeded out. Hold on, chat. Give me 1 second. Hold on. They just commenting right now. People are cheating. Yeah, I see people posting a lot of comments. Hold on. Hadi 959. So that's why, for there to not be any complaints, that's what we're gonna do. Wix, copy all the comments and paste it on a spin wheel online. How do I do that? Copy all the comments. Do I have to copy them one by one? Yeah, there's free comment pickers, but that's not the point. Point is, it's not just about comments. It's about following and subscribing while also leaving a comment, right? So if people comment multiple times, the whole it's okay. I would just give them one entry. You know what I mean? It wouldn't disqualify them, but it would give them one entry. But there's Alexander Hadi. Yo, you gotta DM me on IG with your full name, your email, and a screenshot that you're following and that you're subbed. Wask.co. Okay, I'll check that out. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I'll do a lot more of these. Maybe we'll do another one before the end of the day. I hate spending time on shit that's kind of like irrelevant. It's not, you know, doesn't help anyone get better at trading. I mean, it's cool. Okay, why are we frozen here? Perhaps down. Unfortunately, there's no software out there that's able to, or no free software. Everything has to be signed up for, and you got to learn how to use it. That can check if you're followed and subbed. So you know what? I think next time, once you do all those things, you're gonna have to click a link, and it's gonna ask you to log in, and it'll be able to check if you're followed and subbed, and then it'll enter you automatically, and then I can actually choose the amount of entries you get. So by comments, right? And no matter, like, if you comment 5-10 times, it'll still only give you one entry. Copy the thing, make it to ChatGPT, say filter out the usernames, and they say delete the duplicates, pick 2 winners of them. Ooh, that's a cool idea. Yes, hold on. Let's see if that works. That's a good idea. I like that. Look at you. You guys dropped over 100 more comments in the last 10 minutes. You guys doubled the count on there in the last 10. That's why it's got to be fair. You guys are just spamming comments. Hold on. Chat GPT. Oh, wait. People at the Zoom door. My bad. You guys come in. All right. So we go to Chat GPT. What do we tell them? We say filter out. Let me see if this will work. It's an interesting idea because ChatGPT is smart as fuck. Hold on a second, chat. I got somebody at the door. All right, we're back. All right, so chat GPT. Chat GPT. All right. I said I was just telling you guys what I did. So you see, I put all the comments in here, and I said doing a YouTube giveaway. These are IG comments. Filter so everyone has only one entry and select one winner. The winner of the giveaway is Sylvate. All right, so we'll give away 3 accounts today. Sylvate. I guess that worked. That's not a bad idea. Whoever came up with that, whoever just told us to do that, you're a fucking visionary. You are ahead of your time. I mean, you're only about 10 minutes ahead, but you're still a visionary. You from the future. So, Sylv8, whoever that is, DM me. With your full name, your email. I identify as Sylvate. They spelled it with a Y. You fucked up. Who identifies as Sylvate with a Y? Anyone? Blood type, shoe size, yes. Mother's maiden name. Last 4 of your social. So Sylvate, DM me on IG with your full name, your email, and proof that you subbed and followed. I'm gonna need the whole social. Fuck the last 4. Wildin'. Let's ask ChatGPT if we can buy gold from 2686. All right, well, let's copy and paste your comment into ChatGPT. Thanks, CGPT. You can fuck off now. Anyway, back to our regularly scheduled programming. So instead of 2, we gave away 3. We gave away 3 accounts. You need to add screenshot of trading news to ChatGPT with that question. Yeah, you're probably right. But we gave it a price, right? And it just doesn't know what we're trading. It thinks we're trading. It thinks we're like investing in gold. That 4-hour really made no top wick. It's all right. Yo, we fucking smashed it today. Smash, smash, smash. Where is that guy? Is he still in jail? Is the smash guy still in jail? Word. I agree with that sentiment.
Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby.
You guys are on point. Yeah, we have NYC coming in, volume coming in here, right? 30 closes in 1 minute. You'd want this to break down. Definitely don't want a closure at support here, but there's room to head down here, right? The overall range. Like, look at the 15. Hmm. Chat, lock in here. We might have some positions here off NYSE. Need a top wick to here. That makes it a bit more difficult. It filled the range here. You see how you have this support that runs to the left here? It tapped that area, right? If it starts coming up now, we would need to probably break that low. Oh, that's right. We have news here in 15 minutes. I completely forgot. Check Forex Factor. You're right. You're right. We have news in 15 minutes. Let's re-roll the first prize. No, everybody answered. Everybody got back to me, I believe. Yo, Alexander Hattie, you gotta DM me on IG or you might lose your prize. DM me. And Sylvate, DM me. Yeah, Mr. Hasty reached out already. Waiting on Alexander Hattie. Wix, I did DM you on. Did you DM me on IG? I don't see it. DM me on Instagram. Yeah, I know you. I know you're here. I don't see a message from you. Now I got a whole bunch of people DMing me. Yo, it's me. It's me. Oh, people at the door. Hold on, people at the Zoom door. Come on in. I need an acceptation, yeah? Check your request. Okay, I will. I will. I will. Is that a gas leak? Something about to blow? No. So they're installing new lights in my kitchen, which is right outside my office door. Hold on. Can I take the camera? No, I can't take the camera with me. Construction going. They're installing lights. Hold on, let me find out how long they need. What was that? Sorry for the noise. Yeah, I'm running a stream and they're telling me that's loud as hell. You need like a diamond tip on there. Oh, so charger. You don't got a charger? All right, all right. Well, yeah, when you're done, just walk in my office. The guy's digging for gold. He needs to cut with a suppressor. Oh yeah, we got music. Hold on. So we have news coming up here, gang. We have news. Who's excited to trade news? Who's excited for news? I ain't trading it. Hell no. Fuck no. Hell nah, cut. I'm just watching. Here for the vibes. I'm not, because I'm done for the day. 85 pips. That's a W. You're done for the week. That's amazing. PTSD much? How much did you recover? A lot. A large portion of it. I never forget a shit ton. I'm here for the recovery trade after. I got you. Done with 30. It's Friday. Yeah, that's perfect way to look at things. Yeah. What happened with that woman's upper lip at the supermarket? A fight. Fight happened. 8 minutes here. Bro, I'm here for any trade, news or not. Yeah, we have a trade. We have a trade. This is funky though, right? We had that level on point too. I'm never trading news again. Patiently waiting for news. True. You remember I'm the guy who wanted to edit your shorts? Is it you? There's like 4 Alexes reaching out to me about editing. Why are you guys all Alexes? Is that like an editor's name? Waiting on Wix's usual event loss. Okay. Sitting there waiting on my downfall. That's cool. That's cool. Can I join the Zoom? Yes, you can. Anybody can. Anybody can join. Yo, lone trader, you are absolutely right. I gave away 3 funded accounts. We won 67 pips and we held it over 5 minutes, so all of you guys can hold that. So all you guys can get paid on that. That is absolutely correct. We should be overflowing with viewers and likes. WTF. Smash the like. And go follow the IG and follow this channel. We've really gone above and beyond for you guys today. Wow, the hourly might flip bullish here. I think I can get you some extra subs. No, we don't need to convince people. I need it to be organic. How do you join your signals? Exclamation point signals. Paper trade idea? Yes, right there. Paper trade idea will be a buy limit right here, 26.84, and a stop would be 26.81, roughly 30 pips. How can I join the Zoom? You got to subscribe to the Signal channel. There's the link for the signals. So the hourly's flipped, rebroke the highs. It's not a leg candle on the 15, right? It's pushed heavy. How many pips you usually go for? Whatever the market gives me. You do Asian. We only do Asian for the Signal channel. For the private, it's a private session on Sundays. That's when we do an Asian stream. But we trade Asian every day. No, start on Kick so we can listen to other music. I don't know if I can do Kick and YouTube at the same time. You have a course? You are here. You're in the course. Although it's not as structured as a typical course, right? But you are here. This is the #1 spot for actual education. This live stream. Yellow line based off of this support on the 30 and the 15, and you see how it was perfect that we just tapped it and bounced right off of it. You can tell that that line was then perfectly drawn. 30 seconds here for news. And PMI is typically, historically, pretty heavy news. Are we trading it? We are, so I'm paying attention. Does it mean we'll have a position? I don't know. Excuse me. Whoa, 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 whoa. Close respecting resistance. So price action wise, I wouldn't be taking a buy here based on the closure because it didn't close above. There's a chance you re-break the lows. But I don't want to take that re-break of the lows. That's the same re-break we've had for the last 2 weeks, right? We've created that bottom wick to drive up. We break the highs, and sometimes it's 2-3 pips. Sometimes it's straight back down once it rebroke the highs in order to continue down. I think if we're going to take this, we're going to wait till it's not printing side by side with the previous candle, right? Where price is above or below it. So let's see if we get a push, and then we'll trade the break. They still have not dropped the numbers. Been a couple of minutes. There we go. So these are even as expected. These are good numbers. So you'd expect price to come down a bit. Ha. Right, so fundamentals say bearish. Anyone for the flip buys? I'm not looking for a flip. You can, but I'm just not looking for it here. Yeah, I think that's how I'm gonna go with it from now on. I'm gonna obviously trade the news 1 minute and a 5 off the 1 minute off the 5, but I'm also gonna pay attention here to price action levels to make sure it also falls in line with price action. But if we're being real, like if we're keeping it 100, we wouldn't have had an entry here at any point in this first 5 minutes anyway. Didn't re-break the lows, right? I'm not interested in the flip here. There's no top wick on the previous candle, right? We can make it till we close respecting that most recent level. We can flip bullish and come right back down like it's doing right now. Because normally news used to push us out of a range. Yes, yes. And the last couple of weeks, we would get news and it stays here, right? It stays in the range. We're looking for it to drive and it just comes right back into range. Yeah, and you got 10 minutes on the hourly, and that is not a pretty 1 hour candle, right? Hey, if you're part of the signal channel, so we run a private session for the signal channel on Sundays, the Sunday Unfiltered. If you are part of the private Sunday session, right? If you're part of the signal channel, we will run a giveaway just for you guys on Sunday. Okay? So your chances go up of winning. So right, instead of like a few hundred people, it's just whoever shows up Sunday uncensored, Sunday unfiltered. Because everybody's mics and cams are open and you're free to do as you wish, and we can talk, we can kick it, we can discuss ideas, we can bounce ideas off each other, right? So if you're going to be part of the Sunday private session, we're going to do another giveaway on Sunday, and it's only going to be like 20 people in there. Here we go, rebreak of the highs. Previous 5 closed bearish. Careful, that's the news candle, that previous 5, right? So there's a chance you can flip bearish here and continue filling the wick down. Chance, but that's the off chance because the higher time frames started breaking highs and re-breaking highs. Sunday I'm going to XAU shave his beard on stream. Be funny. I've been slacking, either working or my day off, so I hang out with my girl, but I need to make that more of a priority. It brings me so much value. Yes, sir. And make a toupee for your head. Nah, just go to Turkey. That's where they do all the transplants, no? The hair transplant. Ask Roger where he got his. Get some of that real hair. Still got your mango jam? Oh man. Well, I'm gonna hit you up. Whenever I'm in Disneyland, I'm gonna hit you up. Go to Turkey and leave with one less kidney. Nah, it's Thanksgiving. The turkey comes to me. How lucky are we that the pilgrims killed a turkey and not a cat on Thanksgiving, right? Otherwise, we'd all be eating pussy. But we are stuck with turkeys. Looks like Roger transmits bars. All right. I don't know. The fucking pilgrims, yo. If you got an issue with it, talk to the pilgrims. I got nothing to do with the way we celebrate this shit. What's wrong with you, Wix? A lot of things. Look, I've said this before. If you think the shit I say is fucked up, think about the shit I almost say. Like, you know those times where I'm like, actually, fuck it, we're not gonna talk about it? Yeah, those times. You know how wild those thoughts are? My fam made steaks last year for Thanksgiving. That's a W. You should do stand-up comedy? Yeah, well, if this whole trading thing doesn't work out, maybe. That's a possibility. Hold on, gang. All right, gang. So I'm gonna call it a session and call it a stream. They're gonna start drilling in this room right now. We're not gonna hear shit. All right. Comedy as a side hustle. Yeah. Let's call it a session. If I see any more positions, I'll call them out in the signal channel. We're gonna run a private session on Sunday, so make sure if you're in the signal channel, you get access to that. Make sure if you want to be part of that, that you follow IG, and then you go join the signal channel. All right, that's gonna be on Sunday for next week's market open. All right. 67 pips here today. Oh, chat, hold on. By the way, I need you guys to do something. You guys already know what you need to do. Spam some dubs. All right, congrats everybody. Thank you for spamming them dubs. You guys are all part of the 2% of the traders in the entire world that won today. Congrats. Market Mechanic trying to be famous on that IG story. Trying to be famous. All right, signal channel. Look out, possible signals coming up here on the 1 hour close, maybe within the next half hour. If not, I'll see you guys on Sunday. Chat, love and wisdom to you all. Zoom gang, I'll see you in the clubhouse side. I'm going to call it a session here. As for me, my time here is up. Congratulations to all the winners. Make sure you DM me. If not, we'll re-raffle your funded account. But yeah, as I was saying, my time here is up. The week is done. Go enjoy your weekend. I'll see you guys here Monday, 8 a.m. sharp. But we are done here. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everyone.